This commercial drone brand holds over 80% of the market and gets more than 10 million website visits each month. Today, let's dive into the story behind DJI. Founder Frank Wang has been passionate about model airplanes since childhood. At 16, he got his first remote-controlled helicopter, sparking his dream to create a helicopter that could hover and be easily controlled. In 2006, while still a student, Frank founded DJI in Shenzhen. After 2 years of hard work, DJI launched its first flight control system, SP 3.1, in 2008, allowing model planes to hover. This breakthrough turned the company profitable. With aerial photography on the rise, Frank saw an opportunity. He combined cameras with drones and applied his flight tech to multi-rotor drones. That same year, DJI began expanding into international markets. Frank once met Colin Gwynn at a trade show in 2011, and together they founded DJI North America, focusing on consumer drones. In 2012, DJI released the Phantom 1, the first drone ready for aerial photography right out of the box, and by 2014, they had sold 400,000 units. 3 years later, DJI acquired the famous camera brand Hasselblad, securing a large share of the commercial drone market, including about 2/3 of the market share in the US and Canada. Till now, DJI has maintained a steady pace of innovation, releasing new products every year, with each one bringing something fresh to the table. In a world often focused on flashy trends, DJI focuses on their mission to innovate for the future. Frank once said, "DJI is a place for pure entrepreneurship and artists born from dreams." So what do you think of DJI's journey? Hope today's story gave you a little inspiration.